Hi, it's Zena, and today I want to tell you about this Samsung Jet 75 vacuum with a cleaning canister. Let me start off by saying I really love this vacuum. It works on all surfaces, regular hardwood floor and carpet. It has several speeds, and it's one of the lightest vacuums I've ever owned. I love the fact that it's cordless. I can take it anywhere, and it's literally so easy to clean. It doesn't weigh a lot. It's very simple to use, and when I'm done, I can return it to the charging station. All the accessories hang right next to it, and the emptying canister is plugged in right next to it as well. So I have a little vacuum cleaning station in this corner. What I do is I simply detach the dirt canister and I'll put it into the self cleaner. Automatically it starts, it sucks in all the dirt all by itself. This vacuum is so powerful to pick up even the smallest little dust. Sometimes the room looks clean, and when I vacuum, I will see a whole bunch of dust in the vacuum cleaner, which is a great sign. It's also super easy to maneuver when I clean my staircase, especially with the attachment, which I really like. Now the vacuum is empty, you simply close the container back up, and you easily attach it right back to the vacuum. The batteries don't last that long. It takes about 1.5 battery to clean my house. So I am super happy that it came with an extra battery attachment. I can charge just the battery, or I can switch it out into the vacuum. I love this vacuum and I highly recommend it.